Good morning, everybody. My name is Fendi Aziz Purnomo. In this time, I will present about my research. Let me show. Yes, my research about utilizing virtual reality for real-time emotion recognition with artificial intelligence as a systematic literature view. I am Fendi Aziz Purnomo, and the other author, Mr. Fatul Arifin, and Professor Herman Dwi Surjono from Universitas Negeri Yogyakarta. For the introduction, the development of virtual reality for multiple users is primarily driven by the need to create more inclusive, dynamic, and collaborative virtual environment. VR is particularly effective in enhancing collaborative learning, simulating teamwork in control, low-risk environment, and creating immersive social experience. Reference 8, 9, and 10. One of the key technologies used in emotion recognition within VR is EEG. According to reference 24, EEG is primary tool in emotion recognition research due to its ability to directly reflect central nervous system activity with high temporal resolution. This allows real-time observation of dynamic change in brain activity associated with emotional processes. EEG function on the principle that neurons in the brain generate electrical signal, especially when users communicate with one another, providing insight into their emotional and cognitive state. The integration of EEG in VR application holds significant potential, particularly in enhancing understanding and development across fields like rehabilitation and neural study, reference 1 and 28. This research focuses on improving system reliability, understanding difference in brain activity between VR and real environment, and optimizing the integration of VR and EEG, especially for multi-user scenarios. Further research is needed to explore how user comfort can be improved through the optimization of EEG classification algorithm. By developing more accurate and efficient algorithm, we can address current challenges and provide better solution for multi-user VR application. Reference 32 and 33. To achieve this, our study follows the PRISMA. It is a method, reference 34, to review existing literature with a focus on optimizing EEG signal classification algorithms for recognizing emotion in VR user. For the method, this research follows the PRISMA method, prefer reporting item for systematic review and meta-analysis in conducting a systematic literature review as shown in figure 1. The main focus in the optimization of algorithm for EEG signal classification with research questions formulated to explore how these algorithms can be improved for better emotion recognition in multi-user VR environment. Prisma is reporting standard that ensure transparency and comprehensive in systematic review, providing clear guidelines for literature to data analysis. This helps to ensure reproducibility and clarity in research. In Table 1, this the first set of keyword used, including virtual reality, emotion recognition, real-time, and artificial intelligence. For literature search strategy, the literature search strategy was conducted through the Scopus portal, one of the largest and most reputable academic database. The search was performed using keywords relevant to the two main research topics. As illustrated in Figure 1, the selection process for the literature review starts with the use of the keyword virtual reality, emotion recognition, real-time, and artificial intelligence for article published after the year 2019. This initial search yield 1,478 article. The first filter was applied to include only full article, while including conference paper, review paper, and short survey. This reduced the number of articles to 778. And next, article that were not in English were excluded, which further reduced the count to 764 articles. Following this, we applied a filter to include only open access article, which result in a total of 493 articles. Subsequently, articles with the keyword emotion classification were excluded, narrowing the count to 74 articles. A brief review of the title and abstract of this article was conducted, which result in 13 review articles. Finally, we assessed the article for eligibility, focusing especially on those that review emotional classification using EEG signal. This process led us to the final selection of 13 eligible articles. For quality appraisal of article, the quality assessment of the article is classified into 3 levels: high, medium, and low. Only article with high and medium quality rating will be considered for inclusion. The assessment includes the algorithm use, classification result, and the focus on the physiological EEG signal utilized. In table 2, show the expert evaluation in categorizing the article as high, medium, or low quality. This analysis process result in 13 articles being categorized at high and moderate level. We have two expert 1 and expert 2 for the 1 until 30 article grouping by expert. For the result and discussion, based on the stage of identification, screening, eligibility, quality assessment, and data abstraction, several algorithms for classification EEG signal for user emotion were identified. The analysis they can be mapped to the type of emotion recognition and the use of classification algorithm according to the accuracy result produced for EEG classification. The group result of emotion recognition type are presented in table 3. In table 3, we have emotion recognition group. There are a general emotion recognition, specific emotion recognition, special method and technique of emotion recognition, implementation and validation of emotion recognition algorithm. For the general emotion recognition category and specific emotion category. In general emotion recognition category, Marius Sauce et al. Reference 41 develop a real-time EEG emotion classification pipeline that achieve an average F1 score of 87% for arousal and 82% for valence in a live labeling setup. This pipeline demonstrated sufficient speed for real-time emotion prediction. However, they encountered an issue with class imbalance in arousal rating, which requires addressing drug upsampling during training to improve the model's accuracy in detecting various emotional state. For the specific emotion recognition category, Sylvain Girard et al. Reference 45. Two, two CNN model M1 and M2 were used for EEG-based emotion recognition. Remarkably, the M2 model required only 2 seconds of EEG signal to achieve 99.22% accuracy. Even with just 125 milliseconds of EEG data, the model maintained over 96% accuracy for valence classification. While this model saw enhanced emotional recognition with minimal EEG data, it is important to note that the research is limited to the DF dataset and focus on subject-dependent recognition. For the special method and technique for emotion recognition category, Christoph Friedrich et al. Reference 51 applied continuous wavelet transform and deep neural network for emotion detection from EEG signal. This study achieved an accuracy of 96.7% on the seed dataset using continuous wavelet transform and differential entropy-based feature selection technique. While these results are highly promising, the discussion surrounding the generation of the proposed model remain limited, and further exploration is required. For the implementation and validation of emotion recognition algorithm category, Laura Alejandra Martinez et al. Reference 49 conducted a study that analyzes the contribution of EEG data alongside factors such as age, gender, and personality traits in emotion recognition. The finding indicated that EEG features significantly improve classification accuracy for both arousal and valence label. However, the study also concluded that age, gender, and personality traits did not have a significant influence on emotion classification outcome. For the type of algorithm for emotion classification based on EEG category, the type of algorithm and accuracy achieved for classifying EEG emotional signal aim to evaluate the extent to which this algorithm play a role in classification and their future potential in research development. Algorithms such as CNN and LSTM, whether used separately or in combination, have demonstrated very high accuracy. In fact, some studies have reported accuracy as high as 99.89%. These results are very promising for further development in the field. In Table 4, we observe that results on EEG-based emotion recognition using various methods and algorithm continues to show significant potential. Other algorithms like KNN, RF, and SVM have also performed well in certain contexts. Furthermore, hybrid and optimized approach such as those using wavelet technique and channel selection have shown notable accuracy with result reaching up to 96.7%. For the new proposal EEG emotion classification algorithm for VR, based on the SLR conducted, the following recommendations are proposed for further research topic. In Table 5, proposal for new development in EEG emotion classification algorithm for VR, we have 7 recommendations and 7 purpose innovation. Number 1 is a recommendation is use of machine learning algorithm for the description. We can implement deep learning and hybrid model to improve classification accuracy. And for the purpose and innovation, develop a new hybrid model combining CNN and LSTM specifically for emotion classification in multi-user VR. For a recommendation 2, optimization of feature extraction technique. Recommendation 3, development of EEG signal for multi-user. Recommendation 4, real-time processing implementation. Recommendation 5, better validation and evaluation. Recommendation 6, hardware infrastructure enhancement. And recommendation 7, use of other supporting technology. For the conclusion, based on the finding from the conducted systematic literature review, research on EEG-based emotion recognition indicated that optimizing algorithm plays a crucial role in enhancing the accuracy and efficiency of emotion classification, particularly in the context of virtual reality. User who present diverse conditions, including multi-user setting. And CNN and LSTM method, when used both separately and in combination, have demonstrated exceptionally high performance. In fact, accuracy rate have been reported to reach as high as 99.89%, making this algorithm the top choice for real-time application in VR environment. Furthermore, hybrid approach that combines CNN with wavelet technique and channel selection have also shown effectiveness. Achieving accuracy levels up to 96.7%. In addition, algorithms such as KNN, RF, and SVM show significant promise, particularly when integrated with feature optimization techniques like particle stream optimization and nuclear or norm regulation. However, challenges remain, especially in generalizing this model across varied user conditions and multi-user dynamic. This indicated the need for continued research and innovation to fully harness the potential of this algorithm and ensure that future VR systems can provide seamless real-time emotion recognition for a wide range of users. I hope this presentation has provided valuable insight, and I look forward to the discussion and feedback that follow. Thank you very much for your attention, and this slide for reference, and thank you very much, and goodbye. See you next time.